In this video I will show you how to edit Sweet Selfie preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to light. -0.24 for exposure. Contrast to -50. Highlights bring to -60. Shadows to +50. White to -16. And black to +30. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to +12. Tint to +2. +4 for vibrance. And saturation to -6. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to -15. Saturation to +15. And luminance to -30. Next go to orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to +30. And luminance to +20. Next go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to +35. And luminance to +10. Next go to green. Hue to -50. Saturation to -75. And luminance to +50. Next go to blue. Saturation to +50. And next go to magenta. Saturation to +20. And done. Next go to effects. Texture to +6. Clarity to +16. Clarity to +16. And dehaz to -6. Vignette to -5. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 230 and saturation to 30 of highlights. And done. Next go to details. Sharpening to +10. Noise reduction to +24. And color reduction to +10. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.